Drift in the sunlight, shadows play blue. Time moves slowly, a dance so true. Soft waves of sound, whisper and bloom. Glimmering echoes drift through the air. Moments unfolding with delicate care. Crisp notes of clarity guide us where. Floating through time in an ocean so still, gentle and calm, a journey to fill. Echoes and whispers carry a thrill. Light paints the sky, a canvas so bright, breathing in space with endless delight. Whispering winds in the quiet night. Notes interweave through moments of glow, a symphony peaceful, steady and slow, painted in sound, pure as the snow. Floating through time in an ocean so